Hi everyone, it's Troy from Healthy Living Toxic Free. I've got a couple of little hacks for you one of them is to help you get away from using toxic products to more non-toxic, and the other tips are about saving some money. One of the things you might want to move away from is dishwashing liquid. Now, unlike the Thieves dishwashing liquid that I have here, the regular ones that you get from the shops, most of them contain SLS and parabens, and a lot of them also contain fragrances. None of those things are particularly good for your health, but they are cheap. Whereas the Thieves dishwashing liquid here from Young Living, you're paying something like $23, $24 wholesale for that. And although it lasts a very long time, it's pretty expensive compared to the shop bought ones. So what I've done is I ended up buying a SLS and paraben free mild body wash and actually using that to make my dishwashing liquid. So that comes in a litre size, and I sell that for $17.15, but you may be able to get it cheaper from your supplier. And then I simply add in there a couple of essential oils. So I add in a few drops of the orange essential oil from Young Living, and I also add in a few drops of Thieves essential oil. And basically I end up with a very effective a very effective washing up liquid. So if you would like to save money, that's a pretty good tip. So you end up being able to make about 2.5 bottles of Thieves dishwashing liquid for around about the same price as it would cost you to buy one bottle. Actually, you're probably even saving a bit more than that. So that's the first tip that I've got for you.